How to change the email of your Moonton account. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's actually very easy to do that, so without further ado, let's begin. To change the email of your Moonton account, you need to go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture here at the upper left corner. Then you need to go here on Account. Click on Account Center. And here we can see this Change Email Address button. Click on it. Click on Send Code. A verification code will be sent to the current email of your Moonton account. So let's go and open my email inbox. I am now in my Gmail and the email of Moonton has arrived. It is here. Let's click on it. Here is the code. We need to type it here. Once done, click on Confirm. You can now change the email of your Moonton account. Just enter the new email you want here. And then click on Send Code. After that, a verification code will be sent to this new email. So let's open the inbox of this new email. I am now in the Gmail account of my new email, and the email of Moonton has arrived here. So let's open it. Here is the code. Again, we need to type it here. Once all are done, we can now click on Confirm. And the email of my Moonton account has been successfully changed.